Valuation application, again, as you can see in the last column, it is marked as professional. Extremely important. You have to be extremely good at it. Equity and business valuation is the main theme. And the subtopics, as you can see, are analysis of business environment, entities business strategy analysis. Let us look at them one by one. So first is analysis of the business environment, and I'm sure you can very easily understand if you and I have to do valuation of any business. Obviously, we have to be aware, fully aware about the business environment. And for doing the business environment, there are many tools available. And what those tools are, you have something like a pest analysis. Now, what is pest analysis? So, when you hear the pest analysis, you start wondering as to what it is supposed to be. So, pest analysis, of course, is a political, uh, economic, social, and technology. So, that is pest. Now, this pest can be extended further, and it can be made as pestle. So, in pestle, what you add, you add EL. E is for the environment, and L is for the legal. So this is how the pestle becomes actually. So these are the tools which are available uh, for the environment and environment analysis. Now analysis of the entity's business environment कैसे करेंगे? How to do it? Number one, you have something called which is known as GEIC model. So what is GEIC model? Now, when I speak to you what is GEIC model, it might sound like something very complex, but it is not so. What is GEIC model? It simply means G is for global, E is for the economy, I is for the industry, and C is for the company. That means if I am going to do valuation of a company, what I am going to look at? Firstly, I am going to look at as to how this company is positioned globally. Then I would look at how this company is positioned economically, in terms of the economy, then in terms of industry, and then how this company is placed as a company. So I would look at these four angles for the purpose of the business environment analysis. And this is what you will do, as I have discussed with you: global environment, economy and industry analysis, company analysis. So what you will do in the economy and industry analysis, competitor का इस landscape क्या है? What is sectoral analysis? Then you look at the company analysis, and company analysis means company का background, promoter कौन है, management कौन है, customer कौन है, seller कौन है, buyer कौन है, technology क्या है, geography क्या है, रॉ मटेरियल क्या है. सो ऑल दैट यू विल ट्राई एंड पास्ट क्या है, सब्सिडरी कितनी है, होल्डिंग कंपनीज कितनी है, प्रमोटर्स का क्या बैकग्राउंड है, एक्सपोर्ट कितना है, इंपोर्ट कितना है, ऑल दैट you will need to study. And then you do the financial statement analysis that we have just discussed. Financial statement analysis you look at from two perspectives: historically and futuristically. Historical, that means what has happened in the past. Futuristically, as to how the numbers look going forward. Then